Hello, my crafty friends. It's Nikki again, and I wanted to come on and do another, so you only have 10 minutes. And this is the card that we're going to be making. This is inspiration from Brandy Cox, Brandy's Cards. She did this with her grandma, or a variation of it. I have my A2 size card, the designer series paper, I embossed the red insert layer, or you could also use green. And then I have this layer here, and I used Lovely as a Tree. And then I stamped Joy. This was out of one of the Hero Arts kits from 2017. And I put a little bow on the bottom. So that is what we're going to be doing. I'm using this today because Alicia from Call Me Crafty Owl is taking a much deserved break. And so I wanted to start on some more Christmas cards. Okay, I have my card bases. And I will go ahead and link my first, so you only have 10-minute card base video for you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We'll do 6. Okay. And I have 2 types of designer, or this is the old designer series paper from Stampin' Up. I need to use it up. And then this is from A Perfect Christmas. Christy Marcotte has used this, and May has used this. So we're going to use both of these because the green and red will match both. And I'm going to be using Gordon Green for the tree, and then Delicata Gold for the sentiment. Okay. So we're going to go ahead and start cutting our papers and our cardstock. So let's go back down to 10 minutes. I just didn't want to have to hear that beeping. Sorry about that. All right, let us get started. Okay. Okay, we're going to be cutting the paper at 5 1/4 by 4. I already started on this one, so we'll just 4, and I think this is almost 4. So, okay, there's 2 pieces there. 5 1/4. And this pattern doesn't matter which way you do the paper, so that's one less thing we have to worry about. There's 3. And let's see. Four. 5 and 6. Okay. So there's our designer series paper. Okay, now let's cut. Like I said, we can use either red or green. Doesn't matter. I had my dimensions here a minute ago. There we go. Okay, this is going to be 4 3/4 by 3 1/2. There's 1. Okay. 4, what did I say? 4 3/4 by 3 1/2. Oh, by 3 1/2. I'm going to use that 1, 2, 3, 4. And let's do green, garden green, to go with the Stampin' Up! Paper that I cut. 4 3/4. I'm really bad with measurements. I don't know why. It's like I have to repeat them to myself constantly. Okay, there we go. Now we're going to run them through the embossing folder. So that might take, we've got 6 minutes left. Okay. There's one. Okay. I think my die cut machine just broke. Okay, well, we will not worry about that right now. We got 3 minutes. Okay, let's cut. I just had the paper. There it is. Let's cut our smaller pieces that we're going to stamp on. 4 by 2 1/2. 4 by 2 1/2. Yeah. There's 3. Five. Okay, there's 6. One minute. Let's go ahead and stamp our tree. I think it's lovely as a tree set. It's just gorgeous. I am so glad I got it before it retired, or was getting ready to, and so I finally decided. that I wanted to get this. It stamps really beautifully. And then I'm going to come back and do crumb cake on the trunk like I did in the first one. I know it's hard to see because it blends with the garden green. Just gives it a little extra. Oop. Down to the wire. Okay. We got all our pattern paper cut, and we've got all but one tree stamped. And did I get all these cut? I thought I did. Okay. I tried to run this through the machine, and it's horrible. It totally ruined this. So I think that die cut machine is done, but it served its purpose. It was given to me by my friend who's passed away. So it was older. And so, okay, I guess it's time to get another one. All right. So I will cut some more of these. Obviously, they got ruined. But we did get all the papers cut and most of the trees stamped. So I will see you next time. Thank you so much for joining me. Bye-bye.